Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be installing and styling this body wave unit that I received from UNice hair. This is their 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. I got it in 26 inches and the density of this wig is 200%. So first you want to cut off the air tabs on each side of the lace so that the wig can fit properly on your head. I'm going in and cutting my lace into 3 sections, and today I will be using this new Eben holding gel. Now this gel does not last as long as my Bold Hold Active Glue. I would say the Bold Hold Active Glue lasts for about a week plus, but this gel probably lasts, it'll get you through the entire day. It's more of like a temporary hold, like if you don't want to wear a unit for too long, you would use this gel. But I would definitely recommend this product if you want to go for like a glueless type of install. So now I'm going in with my elastic band and I'm going to use my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting to really make sure that the lace is fully glued down, it is completely dry and just melted. Now it's time for us to cut our lace. I'm going to cut my lace in sections, and I love to do the zigzag motion. As you can see, I just feel like this method of cutting really just gives the lace a more natural look. This is another new product by Eben that I was excited to try. This is the Eben melting spray, and I actually do like this product. I don't like the way that the product comes out of the bottle because it's messy, but it really does help to melt the lace down. It gives it that just natural color. Like it'll take away that any white type of residue that's left over. It'll completely take it away, and it will help to glue the areas down that did not fully glue down. So to tie in that natural lace look, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 15, and this is going on the entire front area of my lace. So I'm going in with the Chi Silk Infusion Serum. And honestly, this is my first time ever using this serum. I was always a Garnier serum girl. But I must say, I'm going to have to vouch for Chi. I hope that's how you say it. But I'm going to have to vouch for Chi because it smells so good and it is so lightweight. And it definitely just adds that natural luster and hydration to your hair. So I love doing this process right before I go in with my flat iron to really help flatten down the roots, like that base of your wig. I'm just going in and cutting just a little bit of layers to this body wig just so that I can get that volume. Because if you want some nice curls, one thing that you have to do is really cut layers into your wig. So before I really get into styling my baby hairs, I'm going in with my tweezers and I'm just tweezing and thinning these baby hairs out so I can get more of a natural baby hair look. So to style my baby hairs today, I'm going in with the Eben adhesive spray. And I used to do this a while ago to style my baby hairs, but I just went to foam. But I go in between the two different styling methods. I feel like with the spray, it does give the baby hairs just a tad bit more of a natural look, but I like both. So this hair was super duper soft, and like I literally just ran my fingers through it and I did not get any tangles. And this hair definitely held my curls so nice. Honestly, I wore this wig for about, I would have to say like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, and the curls were still in my hair. So now it is time to finish this style off with the one single braid on the side. Honestly, it's pretty easy. All I did was just find a random piece of hair on the side of my wig and just started braiding it. Okay, so here is the final look of the wig. I absolutely love the way this style came out with the one braid to the side. I think it was just so cute. It was so simple but so cute. And I do love the way these curls came out. I love UNice hair. I've always received nice quality hair from them. I've been rocking with them since my first wig ever. So quality of the hair is definitely high quality. I did not experience any shedding and I did not experience any knots with this wig.